Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make adjustable friendship bracelets or anklets, whatever you want to make. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I made this adjustable. I'm not going to be showing you guys how to make this friendship bracelet. If you want to know how to make this, I'll leave a link in my description to a tutorial I made like last summer on how to make this anklet. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make it adjustable. So if you want to know how to do this, then just keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do to make your adjustable bracelet is tape it down with the two braids next to each other. There's one side and there's the other. You're going to want to get string and you're going to want to put it under both of the braids. Like so. And now you're going to want to make a loop. So you're going to have to bring this side over and you're going to get the other side and put it over the other string. Then get this side and put it underneath both of the braids and through the loop. Then you're going to tighten it and you have your first knot. And then you're going to do that again, but you're going to do it on the other side. Okay, so this is going to be the second knot and you're going to make a loop and then get the string and put it over, and then you're going to put it underneath the two braids and through the loop, and you're going to tighten it, and then there is the second knot. Keep repeating this. So make another loop, put it over, then pull it from underneath the braids and through the loop. So now that I have tied mine 6 times, I'm just going to end it off with a regular knot. I'm going to double knot it. And I'm going to cut off the excess. Now you have an adjustable bracelet. So that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!